Okay, I'm going to solve these first and then have you watch some more examples of two-step equations from a different perspective, and maybe that will help with the variety, seeing it a couple different ways. I'm going to do a no-do. I'm going to do these in pen here. I think I've done all the videos in pen, so as long as I keep it consistent, I guess. So let's do this one. Remember, this 5 is not part of the fraction, so we can move it by adding it. Oh, and I should have, let's start over, because I had you switch places. So first off is to switch places. Okay, so all I did was put this exactly over here, and then put this, and if I had done it in pencil, I could have erased that. But anyway, I put this over here, this over here. Now I can move the 5. Okay, so I have r over 20 equals 1. Negative 4 plus 5 is 1. And then instead of dividing by 20, I'm going to multiply by 20, and I get r is 20. 20 times 1 is 20. Okay? Number 2 is this one. Now this one, I can't just move the 9 because it is part of the fraction. So the first thing I'm going to do is multiply this by 3. Make sure you multiply the other side by 3. That way those cancel out. You get rid of your fraction. Okay. Then you're going to move this 9 by subtracting it. And you're left with 15. All right. Number 3. Let's switch places. So n over 2 minus 10. Make sure you put it in the exact same order here. Equals, and now I'm going to put this on the other side. All I did is switch places. This 10 is not part of the fraction, so we can move it by adding 10. We get n over 2 equals 4. Negative 6 plus 10 is 4. Then instead of dividing by 2, we're going to multiply by 2, and n equals 8. Number 4, so let's change places. All I did was put this over here, this over here. Didn't change the order or anything. This 2 is not part of the fraction, so we can move it. Now don't make the mistake, this is not 0. Negative 2 minus another 2 is negative 4. Okay. Then instead of dividing by 4, we multiply by 4. And v is negative 16. Okay, the last one. Now after this video, this is a short video. Make sure you watch the ones I'm going to post with this and take notes from there. So that'd be more example. So let's switch places. Okay, so just put this over there, this over here. Then distribute. Negative 12x plus, oh, this should be, there's my pen hurting me again. This is going to be negative 60. Because it's negative 12 times x, negative 12x. Negative 12 times positive 5 is negative 60. Okay. Then instead of subtracting 60, we're going to add 60. So we still have a negative 12x. These cancel out, and this is 204. And then to get rid of the negative 12, instead of multiplying it by negative 12, we're going to divide both sides by negative 12. And x is going to be, this should be, let's see, 17, negative 17, yeah. Okay, negative 17. I apologize for the, I'm looking through a camera doing these, so. So watch this, check your answers, keep working, and then I'm gonna post another video of them showing these kind of problems, okay?